Hey guys, this is Trent Bregner here. I'm at the New York State RV Show with Wilkins RV, debuting our 3.0. A couple of the features I want to show you. We have a massive windshield in the front of our Corterra, industry leading. A couple other things that I want to point out on our Corterra. We have an upgraded pin box. In here, you're going to have solar with the Corterra, universal docking station on the off-door side, auto level. Also on the interior here, you're able to control your front cap lights, your awning light, and extend and retract your awning from the outside. Let's go check out the interior. Some really cool features. Starting out in your kitchen area, you're going to have your table. So we have hidden storage underneath our tables as well. You can also extend the table to gain some more if you guys are playing cards or anything like that. Theater seating with recliners, your USB charge ports, and one of the cool features that Corterra has is our hidden pantry. But first, we also have hidden mantle storage. Now to the big hidden pantry. Going into the kitchens, you're going to have solid surface countertops. You're going to have your stove and your oven. You're also going to have your pull-out trash bin and even more storage. Going into the pantry here, you're going to have even more storage here, and then you're going to have wine, whiskey, and coffee, as well as more storage for all your kitchen needs. Going up into the master bedroom, you're also going to get our dimmable lights in here. You're going to get a king-size bed standard. We have his and hers closets, 12 drawers in here, so tons of extra storage for clothes and what else that you would bring along, as well as a hamper storage. The other thing too is in our automotive front windshield, you're going to have a massive blind, so you can have your privacy. You can also open it up and have a beautiful view of your campground or water or wherever you guys are camping at. Coming into the bathroom, massive, tons of room. Solid surface countertops. You're going to have room to move around and everything. Underneath your sink in your bathroom, you're going to have even more storage. You're going to have 3 drawers to put all your bathroom necessities in here. Lastly, all floor plans are going to be washer dryer prepped. So if you don't need a washer dryer, it's even more storage for your needs. So come and check it out. Again, I'm at the New York State RV Show. This is the Heartland Corterra 3.0. Come and see me.